What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going to go over if you should be getting your domain from Shopify or from GoDaddy. So we'll do a comparison here so you can understand which option is best for your store. Now, before I dive into it, I just want to thank our sponsor, ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip those spreadsheets and get back to growing your business. Now I'm going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
And so let's dive into it now, whether you should be using a Shopify domain or a GoDaddy domain. So if we head to GoDaddy here, if you haven't heard of them, they're one of the biggest domain registrar sites where you can simply buy the domain you're looking for, and you can simply type the domain name you're looking for. So let's say I have a surf shop by now, something random like that. You can search the domain name, you can buy different ends, so you can get .coms, .ca, stores, org, live. They really offer every domain option here. They do have discounted pricing if you're going for a longer term option, so we can see for the first year with a 3-year registration, but it is going to get more expensive after that. And the prices for your domain name are going to depend on what extension. So .com is typically around the $15 USD mark per year. You can see they have different discounts for different extensions. Something like IO is typically more expensive at $65 a year. Typically, you just want to stick with the .com as that is considered standard unless it's dependent on your country. So overall, very easy to purchase the domain. Then once you have that set up, you head into settings, then domains on the left, and you want to hit connect an existing domain, and it's going to take you through the steps. So overall, a very simple process in terms of you setting up your domain. If you want to use Shopify, you simply go into the dashboard, go to settings, go to domains, and you hit buy a new domain there. Then you can enter in the same domain and then purchase it. So if you enter in our same domain, Shopify is going to charge $15 a year USD. And you can easily buy it in Shopify. And so since they're both simple processes here, you may be asking yourself, which one should I be choosing? And I think purely based on simplicity, you should be choosing a Shopify domain if you're planning on exclusively using this domain with Shopify. It's really easy to set up here, just as we went to domains and you buy a new domain. There's no connecting. You don't have to go into the DNS part of GoDaddy, add the information to verify that you own the domain. You can simply have it set up automatically and automatically include SSL encryption. And overall, it's just going to be a generally easier process. If you do end up using GoDaddy, you might be doing this because you have a cheaper pricing plan. You could be using another provider such as Namecheap or Bluegator or Bluehost. They all provide a similar service in terms of buying and connecting different domain names. It's really just going to be the ease of here. If you're setting up your Shopify store, you're going to have a ton of things to worry about, and you don't really want to wait the 48 hours it can sometimes take to have your domain name verified when you're connecting the two from GoDaddy to Shopify, so it can be quite a bit easier just to use Shopify here. You might also want to use GoDaddy if you're looking for full customization on your DNS, as it's a little easier to manage from GoDaddy's platform. You might be also looking for a different extension that's not offered in Shopify, and that's going to really be dependent on what you're looking for with your domain name. So overall, this was a short video here on Shopify versus GoDaddy for domain names. There really isn't too big a difference here, as you're simply just registering your domain name and then going to connect it to your store. Shopify is a little bit easier as it's going to do that automatically. The biggest differentiator might be price if you're looking to pay for a longer term and get a different discount with GoDaddy. But overall, this would be a step I wouldn't overthink too much. There are a ton of things to worry about when setting up your Shopify store. I'd spend more time worrying about what your domain name is going to be and other things such as your marketing plan. And we have different videos covering that as well. So you should check that out on our channel. So this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.